Hello, everyone. My name is Garth Nichols, and I'm one of the facilitators of a new initiative out of CIS Ontario. It's called the Leadership Lab, and I'm with Graham and Tracy, and we're thrilled to introduce you to this incredible opportunity.
Hi there, I'm Graham Vogt, one of your facilitators for the Leadership Lab, and we're here to help you take your leadership journey to the next level through intentional skills development and practice.
And I'm Tracy Fosher, also a facilitator for the Leadership Lab. We truly believe that everyone has the capacity to lead. It's often just knowing where and how to start. We can't wait to show you how this program will transform your approach to leadership within your school.
Tracy, why don't you tell us how it's going to do that?
The CIS Ontario Leadership Lab is a year-long professional development program that is launching for the very first time this year for 2024-2025. Building on the success for Cohort 21, this program is designed for educators who are ready to be transformative leaders in their classrooms, departments, divisions, or schools. The Leadership Lab focuses on participants understanding themselves as leaders and providing the skills and strategies to lead teams through change confidently, dream big, and inspire those around them. Graham, who is this program for?
Well, Tracy, it's for any educator looking to expand their understanding of educational leadership, enhance their leadership identity and competencies, and build new skills and mindsets. Whether you're a department head, a lead teacher, or aspiring to a leadership role, this lab is designed for you. Garth, why is this important and why now?
Yeah, I think it's important more than ever because leadership it's a journey, and we need more leaders, leader development in our schools. And the Leadership Lab focuses on sustainable leadership practices, helping you lead yourself and others effectively. So participants will have a more global understanding of their school as a place that nurtures students, but also as a place of business and administration. And you'll see the balance between those two. You'll finish the year with a stronger sense of your identity as a leader, new skills, and most importantly, a robust professional network within Ontario. Our hopes for this experience are high, and we want you to grow as leaders and make a lasting impact in your schools.
So, register soon. We want to gauge interest early and answer any questions you might have.
Spots are limited, and we want to ensure that you don't miss out on this incredible experience. So make sure to secure your place and register.
Yeah, we can't wait to work with you, help you grow into the leader that you aspire to be. So consider joining us in the CIS Ontario Leadership Lab and make a lasting impact on your school and beyond. See you soon.